filming this?
Yeah, go! Go, Daisy, go!
Get it!
Go, Daisy, go! Get it! Get it! Woo!
When you're a real mom.
I should wear my dog mom shirt right now.
Yes, this is a peppermint frappe. I got a mocha! Again! No, I was
right past me, didn't even see me.
I was like this.
You know our true family will
On the open road I found I'm not alone. There's millions of us at home reaching out for more. Now that we connected more than I expected, don't know where it leads, but something's telling me when life's worth living, it's worth recording. This bright new future is worth exploring. So grab your camera and call all your friends and hold that this dream never ends. Living life through a lens.
Hey guys, what's up? Good afternoon. It's Emma. It is like 2 o'clock right now. I didn't film this morning because I was editing. Just posted the vlog, the new vlog. I'm super excited, but also it's kind of snowing today, which kind of sucks, but oh well. But yeah. So I'm getting ready to leave. I've been ready for a while now, but like I've been just editing. I'm gonna go and dye my hair. Not my mom's hair. So, just gonna pack my stuff and we're gonna leave. I'm not sure how good this looks. I don't know, this is my outfit. This sweater, these leggings, and this is my makeup today. Kind of same as yesterday. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna wear today. I don't know if I should wear the hat, honestly. I kind of like it. So, yeah, I'm gonna put my supposed to be a sweater. I literally have my sweater on, jacket on, and I'm gonna go dye my mom's hair. First, we're gonna go eat lunch, late lunch, very late lunch. Leave my hat off today and just wear this. That looks cute enough. Keep a little mini bag. I need to buy another one. So I put a lot of things in here, like a lot. So it's Saturday afternoon. Time to hit the hay, hit the road, the hay. Hit the hay, sounds like I'm gonna take a nap. Go! I don't know what Jesse's doing right now. He's probably doing something. I don't know. People commenting on my video. I'm super excited about that. It's Amber! Hi, Amber. This is Jesse's dog.
Pass me that black long thing.
This one?
Yeah. And I have.
Oh, I don't like it.
So I don't lose. Little bag right here.
Oh. Okay, cool. Oh, wet already. Good job, Emma.
Open my
What? Open what? I thought this was...
Go with the garage door.
What?
Go with the garage door.
It's cold. Oh, it's a little too low. Can't even see me. That's not enough. So it's 2:03. Oh, you didn't even see it. I got a Snapchat and I got a comment already on my YouTube video. So that's exciting. Car vlog. Woo!
Fuck's sake.
Say hi.
Hi.
It's your first time being on YouTube. How do you feel about that?
Not too camera friendly.
Oh well. What if this will stay? I'm kind of scared.
I wouldn't trust that.
I feel like it wouldn't. So where are we going?
For right now, I'm going to get food because I'm hungry.
I'm starving. It stays pretty well. If I hold it.
If you hold it,
If I
there's
hold
slippery surface here.
You gotta make, I gotta buy something to put it right here. I fucking hate the snow. Do you like the snow?
As long as my car is in storage, then yes, I like snow for about the first 2 months, and then it can leave me alone.
I like it only when it's like Christmas time. How about you?
Up until about February.
Yeah.
After February, I've just about had enough of it.
Honestly, I feel like that's everybody. I feel like when this first snowfall, people are just like, no, we don't want the snow.
Might change if I buy a sled, but...
You're gonna buy a sled from Walmart?
Shut up.
That was so funny though when you said that to me. When your dad wanted to trade your car for a sled. I'm like, why don't you just go buy one from Walmart? And I'm like,
definitely not
the one that you're talking about. That was pretty funny. It was.
That kind of sled.
What?
Not that kind of sled.
Yeah, well, I'm not a sledder, snowmobile, whichever you call it. How do you call that?
Snowmobiler.
There you go. That's what I meant.
I am not your mama, just admit what you did. I got enough to do, then hang around and wait for you to grow up and be responsible.
Sarah, you turned my vibe off. I'm so mad. I'm wearing your rubber boots though, so then keep pictures of Daisy.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
I like that. I want to film.
Okay, we'll film inside there because my camera's a little bit wet. Hey guys! Oh god, the screen is so wet. Fat pig. Yesterday she was a cabbage, today she's a fat pig. I told that to Courtney, she literally pissed herself. Oh, but. Okay, so the new frappes are out. They're so freaking good. Story time. Story time.
I'm doing the story time.
What are you doing story time?
About how they messed up my order.
Oh, okay, cool. Like another rant.
Another rant with Sarah. Anyway, so we ordered a frappe, which is this. This is a peppermint frappe. I got a mocha. Again. Okay, well give me a second.
Nobody cares about this stupid rant.
Filming.
I'm filming. I'm filming.
Daisy.
Oh god, it's.
I'm gonna. Oh, she's pooping. Yay! Go Daisy, go! Go Daisy, go!
I'm just so excited for your.
You're a little asshole.
There's the only reason why I'm out here.
Should I be filming this?
Yeah, go! Go Daisy, go!
Get it!
Go, Daisy, go! Get it! Woo!
When you're a real mom.
I should wear my dog mom shirt right now. Not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
But I'm sponsored by Sarah's Boots.
And these are my moccasins.
Because these are the ones that I can wear outside right now.
I don't want to get your camera all wet.
We'll put something over it.
I don't have anything.
We'll just like put it with your hand. I need to get like a protector.
You need one of those like little like microphone things. We should do ASMR.
You can already do ASMR like on my computer with like the headphones in.
Can we do ASMR?
I was doing it with ice. I was literally cringing my lips. I watched it back. I was like, ah!
Hi, my love. Daisy. Daisy. I bought eyelash extensions again.
My eyelash extensions?
Okay, so Christmas is in what? How many days?
I don't know.
Let's give like a quick room tour.
No,
Update time. That's what it was. Emma. Update time. So it is.
Sarah.
What? Yeah, when you're lost at Walmart. I freaking hold him with his freaking arm.
put the light on.
I literally went like this, like in his pocket, like this. I was like holding, and these ladies were looking at us, and I'm like, don't worry, I'm just trying to. I lose him all the time.
I literally was like, she turned around for 30 seconds.
And he was already
gone. Like, I was gone. She lost me.
Oh.
You know what the worst part is? She was where the makeup is. I was where the bagels were.
No,
she
I was
walked right past me, didn't even see me.
I was like this.
You know true family over bangles.
I was like this, like literally like this. Emma. I was like this. Where is he? And I'm like freaking out the whole store. I'm like, oh my god, where is Tim?
In the bagel section. Apparently.
Yeah.
I want to watch the vlog. Is it good? It's not as good as what this one's gonna be. This one's probably way better. So I know how to do it now. You do? Mm-hmm. Okay, well I'm gonna watch it. So what time is it? It's 4:10. Update time. Look how much look what I spelled our thing.
Vlogs, the teen vlogs.
It doesn't focus. It says it says like T-E. There, I got it for a couple seconds.
Oh my god.
Do you not even know what our channel is called?
Really, I literally wasn't looking when I was spelling, so I was like this.
Subscribe.
We have 1K videos.
I wish it was 1K subscribers.
Match it. Switch it.
I still gotta do the turn the foot to a 10.
The last video was literally 2 months ago. I was quitting.
I don't know. Apparently they're subscribed to us. Daisy.
Ah! Danger!
I'm scared. You're just gonna hit my foot. Oh my god, you're crazy. You too, and you think you own the place. Miss Daisy, looking cute as always. Oh, she's going. And I'm just picking up this. And we're gonna go drinking. I'm so bad. I'm so bad. I don't want to get copyrighted. Oh, it's an ambulance. So what's up, guys? It is 7-Eleven. Jesse is gassing up. You can't really see everything, so foggy. None. So we're going out with some friends. So that's basically what we're doing tonight. We're just gonna hang out with some friends. I don't think we're doing anything else. But like I keep hearing sirens or something like that, but I can't see anything because the thing is so like that, like all fogged up or something. What do you call it? You get it?
What? The gas tank?
Yeah, I can smell it.
Close it now.
God, that's annoying. Okay, question. Do you guys like the smell of gas? I don't know if it's just me, and it smells really weird. It smells good, but it smells weird. I don't know. I can't get sick of it. I don't know. Carpool.
Stay the night.
The probably Jeep is probably like going like this.
Doesn't mean about the life.
57 bucks for.
It's not bad.
Yeah. 57 bucks for a quarter tank. That's pretty good. That looks like Robert. That is Robert.
Oh, that's brave.
Is that Robert? No, that's not Robert.
That person's judging me.
What?
The person over there is judging me.
Hey, bud.
What's up, guys? Hey.
I know, right? What's going on? We taking 1G for.
Sarah and Tim are on a date.
So that's a no.
So no. I mean, they're a pizza in LA. I can text them, but I don't know. They're probably not going to do anything.
Okay. Yeah, you don't have any back seats.
No, unless you want to sit on the
Yeah, no. It's okay. My Jeep is comfortable.
Yeah.
What? Are you working tonight? Ew. They're like freaking out right now. It's hilarious. I don't know if he wants me in camera. I love.
Why? So there's, yes, like a sticky, yeah, well, the sticker was orange, okay, on the inside, so you put it on the inside, so it's white on the outside.
Alright, bitches, let's go. Holy fuck, I'm gonna move your seat up. Thank you.
You're welcome.